Okay, filming. Okay, turn not that way. Yeah. You're good. Okay, straighten out. Okay. Good, you're good, you're good. Brakes work. Okay, stop. Gotta turn, wheels pointing that way. We're gonna run into the van at this point. Turn.
I'm not running into the van.
This way.
I got lots of room.
This way.
I'm just testing.
I can tell.
Is it?
Oh, it's all the way back.
It's all the way back. I really need to clean the rearview mirror.
Barely enough room in here for me, but that's okay. Oh boy.
Sorry, learning the clutch.
No, it's okay. I get it, it's fine.
You know, I don't think the tops of the strut towers are torqued.
Maybe.
Okay, it's very, give it a little bit of gas. It doesn't return very fast to the idle. You know, power steering might be working. It's actually quite light here. It's so much more tire than it was designed for.
Yeah, that's fair.
So I just barely breathe on it and it goes zoom. Feels like a truck.
Doesn't seem like the steering wheel, the alignment's very good.
Oh no, it's not. The rear end is wobbling all over the place. The alignment's just pretty bad. So all right. Well,
I mean, taking it to alignment shop is not the end of the world.
Well, I think we got some more torque to do because it's making some rattling noises in the back.
I mean, a lot of that's from the cover you didn't put on fully.
Alright.
It's been rattling around.
Drivability not great, but it's tolerable. Alright, well, Isaac, that wasn't so bad for a first drive at all.